How to audition for Netflix 2023. A lot of it hasn't changed. A lot of it is still actually very the same. A lot of it's online auditions, so you're doing self-tapes and you're just submitting those off. And it's a pretty simple process on what you have to do in order to go and try and audition and be on a Netflix show or a Netflix movie. If you guys do want more details on anything at all throughout this video, just go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below, and I might be able to just refer you to another video that I went into more details, more specific. First off, from a foundational level, you have to be able to act. In terms of trying to improve and become a better actor, how you can improve and work on your acting, we've done a lot of different videos on this channel. You can go and check out our playlist. We have a whole playlist on how to just go and simply practice your acting from home, the comfort of your own home, so you get to work at your own pace. And if you really wanted to go and develop your acting even further from an advanced level, then you would probably consider our 10-hour acting masterclass, our 2.0 version, if acting is really something that you decided that you want to do for yourself. But first, do the other ones to see if acting is actually what you want and if it's a passion of yours that you have. So in short, once you've got the foundational level and you realize, okay, hey, I can act, I can actually go and be on these shows. I'm good enough to be on a show or a movie. Then what you have to do is there's one of two things. Okay, so the first one is doing this thing called self-submissions, and there's different platforms that you can use out there like Actors Access, or you can use Backstage. Those are two popular ones. There's a lot of different self-submission platforms out there for you to go and be able to use. But what you would do is you would basically go on these platforms, you sign up, and you just see which listings that they have available for what jobs they're looking for actors, and they'll list them on there. Now, it's not all the time that you're going to go and get a Netflix audition that comes up from these, because they don't always elicit them out to the public. Sometimes they will, but they don't do this all the time, which makes it kind of hard, which means you may have to wait sometimes 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks to wait for an audition to come in for Netflix for a project that you also have to be the right fit for. Maybe they're looking for somebody who's 40 years old and you're 18. Well, then that's going to be hard. So there are limitations that come to it, but there are a lot of people who use self-submission platforms in order to go and submit themselves. Now, the other point that I mentioned that you have, which is the more popular point, and which is the one that I will recommend for you, if acting is something you're going to do for the long term, you're going to get this anyways, it's going to be representation for yourself. Meaning you have to go and have an agent or a manager, and they're going to be the people who go and submit you for these projects for Netflix, for Disney Channel, for Hulu. And the great thing about having representation for yourself is that they get access to every single audition out there that is possible. So let's say, for example, Netflix will say, hey, let's release this one audition out to the public. Well, Netflix, what they will also do is have all their other auditions listed. Let's say they have 25 different shows that they're working on. Well, agents and managers will get access to all of them, whereas you, somebody who's in the public, will only get access to the ones that Netflix specifically will choose for you to have available to you. You want to have representation because that's the best way possible for you to get your Netflix auditions. Now, in order to go and get callbacks, in order to go and actually be on the show, it does require that foundational level of being, hey, are you good enough to be on the show? And are you the right fit for the part that they're casting? Because you may be a great actor, but you just may not be right for the particular part. So there's a lot of different factors that get in, but if you want to give yourself the best chance possible, then you're going to have to get representation for yourself. There's a lot of different ways that you can go about in finding representation. We've done videos on that before, so if you want more specific details on how you can go and find an agent or a manager and the submission process and how that works, we've done a lot of different videos on that, but that would be the best avenue for you to pursue now, currently in 2023. So congratulations to everybody who made it through this video. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and leave this emoji down in the comment section down below so I know you made it all the way through. Also, if you're interested, our 10-hour acting masterclass will also be down in the comment section below and also in the description if you're interested in that. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video of ours. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.